Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the wonderful opportunity, and this is the important role for the software engineer freshers and job location is Chennai, Navalur. So if you are 2025 or 2026 graduate from BTech and if you have minimum 70%, then you are eligible for this job. So what are the skills required? They are uh, demanding the Java, Spring or Spring Boot or Python or Flask framework and SQL programming solving or SQL is must. So okay, so if you have knowledge on all those tech skills, then I will suggest just share your resume to this mail ID. This is one wonderful opportunity, and I will suggest everyone, especially 2025 and 2026 graduate, you should apply for that. Next important opportunity from Zinier, they are hiring for the role of SDET-1, and this is also freshers based hiring, so you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Friends, next important opportunity for the finance graduates. So already provided you update, but still hiring is going on for the Capgemini Acceler off campus drive, Kolkata. They are hiring for the finance graduates. So if you are from finance role or if you know anyone who is from finance background, such as the degree in commerce, accounting, finance, then you can share with them. Okay, and only 2025 students are eligible for this. Coming to next important opportunity from the Amber, they are hiring for the role of operation associate. So this will be your roles and responsibility. You will perform outbound sales activities and act as aggregator between the property management, create an excellent report with assigned demography. So this is a non-tech job, means not a developer role. So if you're interested in non-tech job and these are the skills required, so if you're comfortable with all those things, you can apply. Now talking about the qualifications, so you should have be graduate and minimum 60% is required in academics, and freshers are eligible for this. So if you are 2024 or 2025 and 2026 too, you can apply for this job. Coming to last important opportunity, and which I've already provided, that is related to Capgemini, so you can just apply for that. Friends, I have already posted lots of important job updates in my YouTube channel, so if you want, you can follow us. We have already launched the coding playlist, and lots of important hiring is still going on from LTM and HCL Tech. So if you haven't applied, by the way, you can refer to that video, and if you have any query, feel free to ask here, comment here. And friends, one thing that I want to tell, that those who are asking for the notes related to coding, so I suggest just refer this video and just check the description. You will get all those links there. Okay, so friends, coming for some of the other important role, that is from the Geo Career. They are hiring for the role of software trainee, and this will be your the function area, it means other, and this is completely training. And if you are from BTech background from any branches, then you are eligible for this. So this will be your responsibility. You will do requirement understanding, coding, testing, and development of applications. And these are the skills and competency that core Java, JSP, Servlet, and SQL and JDBC. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the GWC Data.ai, and this is work in drive at fresher at Tirupati office. Okay, I think this location from Chennai. So if you are coming from this location, then you can just visit them and you can just submit your basic details. Okay, so they are hiring for the role of full stack developer in data science, AI/ML engineer, and data analyst, and freshers are eligible for this job. So if you are residing near to them, then you can apply. 2024 to 2025 all can apply for this important opportunity. Next important opportunity from the Appventurez, they is hiring for the this profile, that is .NET developer, business analyst, front-end developer. So if you are interested, you can just share your resume to this mail ID. Next important opportunity from the DIH intern, data engineering. They are hiring for the role of data engineering. Okay, and this is a important job role, and job location is Kolkata, Bangalore. Okay, so these will be your roles and responsibility. You will basically assist in translating business requirements, support in all software development, understand computer science and computer engineering fundamentals, and you can go through all these things. Okay, so you should have some experience, minimum 1 year. So if you have, and then you can apply for that. Coming to last important opportunity, and this is a big opportunity from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer 1, hub delivery. Okay, so for this also you should have some knowledge, some experience. So these are the important, friends. If you are fresher also now, then I already provided update related to HCL Tech, LTI Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, and see urgent hiring. So those who haven't applied it, I will suggest must apply for that, and there is strong chance of getting reward from this thing, especially from Tech Mahindra, because they are looking for immediate joiner, and we have already launched. So you can follow our playlist. कोई भी query, feel free to ask a comment here. You can ask any question on Insta, WhatsApp, or Telegram, wherever you are comfortable. You can ask. I feel very happy to help you. Thank you.